How to insert and send email newsletters in Outlook. In this video, I'll show you how to insert and send email newsletters in Outlook. So to get started, go ahead and open Outlook on your device and then click on New Email at the top left of your screen. So from here, go ahead and enter the recipient of this email and then make sure to add a subject for this email. So as a subject, I'll set this up as newsletter. So to be able to insert and send HTML email newsletters, you need to head over first into your email body, then click on the insert tab at the top left of your screen beside the message button. So once you find that, click on this attach a file button and then select the file that you want to insert and then upload it. Now in this area, you can go ahead and add more details about your email. And then once you're satisfied, you can go ahead and send this to your recipient. That is how you can basically insert and send HTML email newsletters in Outlook. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.